Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 10, that is the rise of nationalism in India. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about after 1920. हमने 1920 तक पढ़ा था, अब हम 1922 के बाद का पढ़ेंगे. So, the Swaraj Party, Congress decided to boycott legislature during the non-cooperation movement. But after the suspension of this movement, कांग्रेस ने इसे दो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करा. वन ग्रुप विच फेवर टू टेक पार्ट इन इलेक्शन, जो आपके सीआर दास, मोतीलाल नेहरू, वल्लभ भाई पटेल. अदर ग्रुप था जिसमें आपके वल्लभ भाई पटेल थे, सी ए राजागोपालाचारी और राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Right? So it led to the rift in the Congress and new party named Swaraj Party was formed in 1920. So within the Congress, they contested election that held in November 1923 and won seats out of 101 at the Senate. Communist Party in 1920, M.N. Roy founded the Communist Party of India at Tasket. Soon as communist group जो थे, they were formed. 1925, Satya Bhakta organized all Indian Congress of the Communists at Kanpur. The president of this Congress was, that is, Singhara Velu Chetidar, communist leader. The inauguration of this conference has regarded the beginning of the Communist Party in India. And the other important movements were Bardoli Satyagraha 1920, All Indian Trade Union Congress, जो आपकी 31 अक्टूबर 1920 में फॉर्म हुई थी. एंड दैट इज बिहार सोशलिस्ट पार्टी, कांग्रेस सोशलिस्ट पार्टी, जो आपकी 1930 फॉर्म. देन वी हैव ऑल इंडियन किसान सभा, जो आपकी 1936 में हुई थी. और इसको जो सपोर्ट करा था, पीजेंट्स क्लास को इतने सपोर्ट करा था. नाउ वी हैव फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक, सुभाष चंद्र बोस 1939 में फॉर्म करे थे. रेडिकल डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी फाउंडेड एवन रॉय इन 1940. Now evolutionary movement. With the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement led the revolutionary activity. It was organized in 1924. It was led by Bhagat Singh, Yogendra Shukla and Chandrasekhar Azad. In 1925, they looted government from running a train near Kapur. This firm Kapuri conspiracy case कहते हैं. Four of them, namely Safugullu Khan, Ramprasad Bismillah, Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri, they were all executed. 1928, Hindustan Republic Army was formed. And Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad were its prominent leader. So, in December 1928, police officers, that is Saunders, who has been that responsible for the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, was killed by the revolutionaries. So, on April 8, 1929, Bhagat Singh and the B.K. Dutt, what they did, they threw bombs in the assembly hall, and Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were sentenced to death and executed on 23rd March 1931. In Bengal, British officers and magistrates were being targeted, and person was killed by Binoy Bose, Badal Gupta and Dinesh Gupta, and the Indian Republic Army was formed. और किसने फॉर्म करी थी? सूर्य सेन. On 18th April, along with other revolutionaries, Surya Sen attacked the police armory at Sitcom and acquired arms in immediately. He was hanged after getting arrested. These activities show the strong revolutionary movement in Bengal, and women जो थी, they were active in participation in the revolutionary movement. They often act as a messenger, and what they provided shelter to the revolutionary, right? They even attack the British officers and they become martyrs. Kalpana Dutt and your what? Preeti Lata Wadedar are some women martyrs. Simon Commission. In November 1927, British government appointed Simon Commission under the chairmanship of who? Sir John Simon. He was acquired into the working of the Government of Indian Act of 1990 and just suggested new reforms. Right? The Indians were dissatisfied with the commission, and because it had no Indian member, all the 7 members were इसमें सारे जितने भी members थे सारे कौन थे? British. And they demand what Swaraj. Complete Harkar war observed in the Bombay and other places on 3rd February 1928. और जो the commission landed at Bombay, and people all over the country raised the slogan, जिसको हम कहते हैं 7 Go Back. And they held many demonstrations also. लाठी चार्ज भी करा. Then we have civil disobedience movement. In 1930, civil disobedience movement it was launched under the leadership of Gandhi ji. It was marked by with Dandi March, and with some his followers left to Sabarmati Ashram. Right? What happened? A village on the west coast of India, 12 March 1930, after traveling on 25 days. And he reached Dandiya on 6 April 1930, and government जो लॉ था, that is salt laws के गांधी जी क्या चल जाते हैं, अगेंस्ट चल जाते हैं. The movement spread across the country and salt was the challenge. Salt became a symbol of people opposition and Trichipuli to the Vedrayans, Sarojini Naidu protested in front of salt depots in Gujarat. The civil disobedient movements, it carried forward the unfinished task of non-cooperation movement. The entire India actively involved in it. Hartals brought about the life of standstill and the schools, colleges and offices were violently boycotted. Foreign goods, they were burned into bonfires. People stopped paying taxes. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, popularly known as Frontier Gandhi, led to the movement in northwest frontier provinces. What happened? The control tha over the Peshwas, Peshawar and Solanpur skipped, and while President and Supreme Court, people faced the lathis and bullets. Right? Many photographs. तो फिर first round table conference होती है, which was summoned in London in 1930. Right? This conference was called upon to discuss the reforms suggested by Seven Commission. और जो conference it was attended by Muslim League and the Hindu Mahasabha. Gandhi Irwin Pact 1931 efforts was made by Viceroy Irwin to persuade the Congress. और उन्होंने क्या ज्वाइन करा? सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस ज्वाइन करी. It was an argument made between Gandhi and Irwin, which was popularly known as Gandhi Irwin Pact. यहाँ पे जितने भी political prisoners थे, they all were released and no charges of violence was there. And the Congress was to suspend the civil disobedience only. Then we have Karachi session in 1931. The Congress General Session was held at Karachi. Vallabhbhai Patel presided over a session. Two important resolution was passed. They were on the fundamental right and economic policy. They stated that fundamental right should be given to all, regardless of religion and caste. So nationalization of certain industries was also proposed by it. It focused on promotion of Indian industries, right, and welfare of the workers and peasants. It laid out a plan for reconstruction of Indian society. It also prepared many aims, items for the constitution. Then we have second round table conference. So Gandhiji arrived at London for another conference in September 91. He was the sole representative of the COP and still keeping abreast of its communal policy. British has also invented the representatives from the association, which was linked to Muslim, Sikhs and Indian princes. Right? So फिर पूना पैक्ट होता है. गांधी जी वॉज टोटली अगेंस्ट अ सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट फॉर द डिप्रेस्ड क्लास. तो इन्होंने फास्ट एंड टू रेड चले गए 20 सितंबर को एट येरवंदा प्रिजन. देयर वाज ही लॉक्ड आउट अंटिल कम्युनल अवार्ड वाज रिवाइज. जब तक कम्युनल अवार्ड जो था वो रिवाइज नहीं हुआ, जब तक वो ऐसे ही रहे. एंड गांधी जी डिक्लेरेशन कॉज्ड एंजाइटी or unrest. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya was for the conference and Pune Pact was signed on 20 September 1930. मेन प्रोविजन क्या थे? जो 148 सीट्स थी वो किसके लिए रिजर्व थी? डिप्रेस्ड क्लास की. 18% सीट्स इसलिए रिजर्व थी डिप्रेस्ड क्लास के, लेकिन सेंट्रल असेंबली 148 प्रोविंशियल असेंबलीज में थी, राइट, लेजिस्लेचर में. नाउ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया 1955 इमर्ज फॉर द डिस्कशन ऑफ थर्ड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस. ठीक है, इसमें ऑल इंडियन फेडरेशन था. And the federation was to be based on union of provinces of British and princely state. Although the princes ruled their state, they had no real power and they were completely at the mercy of the British. Most of the Indian rulers, they led lives of luxury and cared little with the welfare of their own subjects. Right? The Congress formed government in 8 out of 11 provinces, and about 2.5 years Second World War broke out in 1939. Gandhiji was against the policy of Hitler. And what they did, they decided to support British in the Second World War. The British refused to conclude, और जो Sir Stafford Cripps थे, they came to India with some proposal. वो इंडिया आते हैं 1942 में प्रपोजल लेके, and they offered too little. Gandhi dispatched the Cripps plan. It is a post-dated check, right, on a crashing the. And this decided to start another vast movement, Quit India movement. During the middle of Second World War, Gandhi decided to start another phase of movement. So 8 August 1942 में उन्होंने start करा and he gave a call do or die for the people and he asked the British to leave the India military. उन्होंने ब्रिटिश से क्या कहा कि इंडिया को अभी एकदम छोड़, right? So the Quit India movement spread on large scale. So students and peasants also joined the movement on large scale. All the major leaders were sent to jail. जितने भी major leaders थे उनको जेल में भेज दिया गया, right? And the symbol of the government authority was attacked. ठीक है, उनको attack करा in many places. नेताजी About this time, the British government in India was faced with another danger, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, सुभाष चंद्र बोस. He believed in direct action day the British ruler in 1941, and he escaped from the house where he was interned in Kolkata. Right? From whence and a number of Indian soldiers who were serving the British army had taken prisoner by the Japans. So now these prisoners were released and Netaji organized Indian National Congress. The army marched to the frontiers of India. And what happened? कैबिनेट मिशन आता है 1946 में. इसकी जो मेन रिकमेंडेशन थी वो क्या थी? एक तो आपका रिटेन यूनिटी ऑफ इंडिया, रिजेक्ट डिमांड फॉर पाकिस्तान एंड डू नॉट सॉल्व कम्युनल प्रॉब्लम. द यूनियन ऑफ इंडियन वाज टू कंसिस्ट ऑफ ब्रिटिश प्रोविंस एंड प्रिंसली स्टेट. इंटरमेंट गवर्नमेंट वुड बी फॉर्म बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली जो कि वो फॉर्म हुई थी बाय द मेंबर्स इलेक्टेड बाय प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेचर. नाउ पार्टीशन एंड इंडिपेंडेंस. पार्टीशन हो जाता है एंड एडमायरल लॉर्ड लुइस माउंटबेटन जो वाइसराय थे 1947 में, he announced the India that would be free in August 1947, but he divided into two nations. इसने दो नेशन में डिवाइड करा, that is India and Pakistan. Right? So we can say the Mountbatten Plan was given a legal effect by the Indian Independence Act in July 1947. और two independent dominance थे इंडिया के, पाकिस्तान के, they were created at midnight on 14 to 15 August, and most of the princely states जो थे उन्होंने क्या ज्वाइन करा? Dominion of India by singing instrument of accession, right? Vallabhbhai Patel play an important role. Muhammad Ali Jinnah become the first Governor General of Pakistan. Lord Mountbatten जो क्या थे? ये लास्ट वाइसरॉय थे ब्रिटिश इंडिया के एंड बिकम द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ द डोमिनेंट इंडिया एंड ही सक्सीडेड बाय सी राजागोपालाचारी एंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली बिकम अ इंडियन पार्लियामेंट एंड जवाहरलाल नेहरू और जो इंडिया के क्या बने? प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने. राइट? Then afterward, the happiness of winning independence was somewhat reduced by the huge amount of bloodshed, communal riots. And what happened, जो गांधी जी थे, he tried to restore peace. वो चाहते थे कि जो peace है, harmony है और आपकी जो हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी है उनको हम क्या कर सके? restore कर सके. And the entire country was plundered with the grief as the father of nation became a martyr or to the cause of communal harm. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.